Let's talk about Polygon Matic. This will be a no BS price prediction video. Obviously, this is no financial advice. I'll tell you my thoughts on it. And right now, I'm very bearish. I think we will have some retracement to the downside. Keep in mind that the new name for Polygon is POL. It was Matic, now it's POL. So if you can find it, that's there's the ticker. It's POL. Right now, we have a massive amount of short liquidations that got hit right here, and slowly we want to see one last thing. This is longs closing. We saw a massive longs closing right here, and that's why at this point it's not a bad idea to have some form of a short. I don't want to have a very big one because I'm a little late to this party. I managed to short a bunch of other stuff. I managed jelly short, and we just took profits on Matic, as you can see, but we took profit on ENA, Pump, BCH, Pump, Bonk, Somi, and other coins. So I want to have a very safe trade, and this is the way I say it. 27,961 would be my target, and I want to see what is going on with in terms of the liquidation values on Matic. It's really hard to see this. It's just insane to find some of the pairs. When they name change, it's over. You can't really find any information for them, but it's not very hard to guess where a lot of liquidations will be. We'll have liquidations here because of this week low, and a lot of liquidations here. So definitely interested in getting this trade done right here, and hopefully we can even have a trade to this level so we can liquidate these week lows right here. So this is my thoughts on Matic. If you want to learn a little bit more about my strategy, I'm at 260 grand on BloFin, 30 grand on this new wallet. Have a link in the description down below for my Signals chat, for my course, and because I'm switching to BloFin, there's a new user exclusive $30 bonus, just 30 bucks, just like that. You sign up, you get $30. That's it. Yeah, you just got to deposit 50 bucks. So you deposit 50 bucks, you get 30 bucks. So that's 80 bucks. This 30 bucks just like that. And plus you get 50% discount on your spot fees. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I'll have another Matic video tomorrow. See you next video. Bye.